Hey, morning everybody, it's Keith from Jets PC. I wanted to cover today that not only do we sell Lenovo ThinkPads, we also offer service on them as well. I've messed with them since they were in the T410s or whatever. So if you have a ThinkPad and you need service on it, feel free to come on by the shop. It's billed at the $80 an hour plus tax for the bench rate. And like I say, I am schooled in them and have been working on them for years. And we have quite a few in stock. So if you need a P series or an E series, we have some ThinkPads as well. Almost finished with the next Linux desktop. This one's a 3050 6th Gen i5 quad core with 12 gigs of RAM, a 250 gig SSD, and a 500 gig storage drive. So it'll be a nice desktop, wireless dongle and a gigabit NIC, USB 3s. It'll be priced at $150 plus tax, tower only with a 90-day hardware warranty. So the Linux boxes are coming along, and like I say, we have ThinkPads as well as regular desktops, all with Windows 11 loaded on them. So come on by and see us. We're at 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and winter hours are Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 6. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for checking out this video, or thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Have a good day. Hit subscribe.